Indian Air Force has struck across LoC, destroying Jaish-e-Mohammed terrorist training camps. In an aerial bombing operation carried out for around 21 minutes, IAF attacked various launch pads in Pakistan-occupied Kashmir. According to army sources, 1,000 kg bombs were dropped on Jaish bases by multiple jets, including Miraj 2000. Rejoicing the IAF move, Indians across party lines have appreciated and pronounced support to IAF and Modi government over the strike. Meanwhile, Pakistan military spokesperson have alleged that IAF has violated the line of control. Security experts claim that this is a very strong signal from India to Pakistan.
Information regarding the location of training camps in Pakistan and in Pakistan-occupied Jammu and Kashmir has been provided to Pakistan from time to time. India has been repeatedly urging Pakistan to take action against the Jaish-e-Mohammed, to prevent jihadis from being trained and armed inside Pakistan. Pakistan has taken no concrete action to dismantle the infrastructure of terrorism on its soil. Credible intelligence was received that the Jaish-e-Mohammed was attempting other suicide terror attacks in various parts of the country, and the Fidaiyin jihadis were being trained for this purpose. In the face of imminent danger, a preemptive strike became absolutely necessary. In an intelligence-led operation in the early hours of today, India struck the biggest training camp of the Jaish-e-Mohammed in Balakot. In this operation, a very large number of Jaish-e-Mohammed terrorists, trainers, senior commanders, and groups of jihadis who were being trained for Fidaiyin action were eliminated. This facility at Balakot was headed by Maulana Yusuf Azhar, alias Ustad Ghori, the brother-in-law of Masood Azhar, chief of the JEM. This non-military preemptive action was specifically targeted at the Jaish-e-Mohammed camp. The selection of the target was also conditioned by our desire to avoid civilian casualties. The facility is located in thick forest on a hilltop, far away from any civilian presence.
आज आपका मिजाज कुछ और लग रहा है। बोलो भारत माता की, भारत माता की। आपकी ये भावनाएं, आपका ये उत्साह, आपका ये जोश मैं भली भांति समझ रहा हूं। आज एक ऐसी पल है, आओ हम सब भारत के पराक्रमी वीरों को नमन करें, सर झुका करके नमन करें। मैं देशवासियों को विश्वास दिलाता हूं कि देश सुरक्षित हाथों में है। सौगंध मुझे इस मिट्टी की, मैं देश नहीं मिटने दूंगा। मैं देश नहीं रुकने दूंगा। मैं देश नहीं झुकने दूंगा।
For more news, visit www.prudentmedia.in. Follow us on Twitter, Facebook and our Prudent app.